Welcome to this golden light protection meditation, a gentle journey to cleanse your aura, release heavy energy, and strengthen your energetic shield. Allow this luminous frequency to wash through you, restoring peace and radiant protection. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel your body begin to soften. Your shoulders drop. Your mind unwinds. And your energy opens like a morning flower turning toward the sun. Now imagine a soft golden glow above your head, warm, pure, and shimmering like liquid sunlight. This is divine light, here to cleanse, protect, and uplift you. With each inhale, this light grows brighter. With each exhale, it flows gently through your crown, bathing your mind, your thoughts, your entire being in a golden radiance. Feel it cascade down through your neck and shoulders, melting away tension, dissolving any cords of stress or fear. It moves through your chest, glowing, expanding, filling your heart with peace and divine protection. Now this golden light continues down through your abdomen, your hips, your legs, until it reaches the soles of your feet, anchoring deep into the earth, connecting you to grounding, nourishing energy below. With every breath, your aura begins to shimmer, a beautiful field of gold and white surrounding your body. See it pulsing gently, alive and intelligent, repelling all lower vibrations, transmuting negativity into love. You are surrounded, protected, and held. Your energy is sovereign. Your light cannot be dimmed. Take a few moments here, breathing in golden protection, breathing out peace. When you're ready, place your hands over your heart and whisper silently, I am safe. I am guided. I am light. Feel that truth radiating outward, rippling through your aura, blessing your space with harmony and strength. And as you slowly return to your day, carry this golden light within you, a shield of serenity and love, glowing brighter with every breath you take.